Hello, it's Danielle Brigette here from teachingonlineheadquarters.com, where I give you tips for teaching online. Today I wanted to give you a little glimpse into my Outschool profile video that I uploaded on Outschool after I became a teacher. So I'm gonna just show you what I have right now. I've been thinking about changing it up a little bit because I teach mostly painting, and in the beginning I thought I would teach more graphic design. So I might change it and make it a video of my studio, but for now I wanted to show you what I have uploaded on Outschool for my teacher profile video. So here we go. Hello, my name is Teacher Danielle, and I've been a teacher, graphic designer, and photographer for over 16 years. My passion is creating things. I love to craft and I love to take photos in my spare time. I've taught English as a second language, digital graphics and animation, photography, and the Adobe Creative Suite. And I would love to teach you these things too. Why don't you join me in class and let's get crafty and creative. Okay guys, so what did you think? It's kind of basic, I think, but that's okay. I just told them who I was, my experience, and what I could teach and what I love to teach. So if you want to learn more about becoming an Outschool teacher or a VIPKID teacher, I want you to go to the description box below and click on my link for my website, www.teachingonlineheadquarters.com, and it will take you to my webpage where you'll be able to download the Outschool application checklist, and you can watch all my other videos on how to become an Outschool teacher. I would love, love, love to help you. So until then, give me a like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.